Welcome to the DomainRacer. In this video, we will check whether your website is mobile friendly and how to resolve easy process. And the very first tool name is Google Mobile Friendly Test. Here you enter a website and check for the website and check your mobile friendly test. And here it is our result. The best part, the Google mobile friendly test will tell you what actually went wrong and it appears here. If you click on view details, you will get all the list that creating issues in your website to complete a mobile friendly test. And make sure that if your website is mobile friendly, then you are getting at least 30% more views. This tool is help you to check your website on various devices. Let's say I wanted to check in this resolution. So look at this. The website is working absolutely fine, but the fact is here you will not able to see any optimization steps as the tool Google itself is recommending. But here you will not able to see any recommendations that needs to optimize your website, but you can able to use this tool and this tool for testing purpose. But if you need to really want an errors and warnings, you can able to use the tool Google Mobile Friendly Test. So basically now we had covered one part, and now the second you can see a bonus part. You don't need any tool to check whether your website is mobile friendly or not. For that, your Chrome browser itself is a powerful tool. So in this case, I directly visit the particular website or URL and right click and click on inspect. It is just a 2-click process. And at the left right corner, you will find this option. Click on this. And here you will get various device options. So in this case, let me try with Galaxy S5. And look at this. In the Galaxy X5, whether our website is loading properly or not, you can able to see here. So in this case, I will strongly recommend you to go with Google Mobile Friendly Test and Chrome browser itself. If you need more results or just for the testing purpose, so in this case, this website responsive test.com, and this website is the recommended options. But these tools are most powerful, so you do not need any other tool apart from this. If you have any problem and you need a video, then please comment below, so we will come up with a video.